Are you Japanese?
Half.
日本語を話すことができますか？
日本語ちょっとだけ。
Me too. 日本語を勉強しています。名前は何ですか？
イアナです。
いい名前ですね。
何人ですか？
インドネシア人です。
sayang.
Wait. Where do you learn that?
I don't know how to speak.
Sayang is like baby, you know.
No, it's like a friend.
No! Who teach you?
My friend. My friend told me
No.
sayang means best friend.
No! Best friend in Indonesia, it's a teman.
I always call him sayang.
Oh my god.
I call him always sayang.
Sayang is for the lover, you know. If he was your boyfriend, sayang.
He's just my friend.
Then don't say that. If you call him again, say Jancho.
Jacho? What does it
That's
mean?
it. That's the real meaning of friend. You know?
Tetaplah berada di jalan setan.
Damn, he got me almost a year. Fuck. Okay, hi Dancho. Nice to meet you, Dancho. Thank you.
Wait, don't say that to me.